Welcome back to English Fix-Up. Today we're learning 20 powerful emojis and how to use them naturally in English. Smirking face. Use it for teasing or playful sarcasm. Example, "Oh, you think you can beat me at chess?" Grimacing face. Shows awkwardness or when you messed up. Example, "I forgot my homework." Upside down face. Perfect for irony or light sarcasm. Example, "Sure, I love waking up early on Mondays." Face with tears of joy. Used when something is really funny. Example, "That joke had me rolling." Smiling face with sweat. Shows relief or "That was close." Example, "I almost missed the bus." Smiling face with sunglasses. Means cool, confident, or proud. Example, "I just aced the exam." Crying face. Used for real sadness or disappointment. Example, "I dropped my ice cream." Angry face. Expresses frustration or anger. Example, "They ate my cookies." Sleeping face. Used when something's boring or you're sleepy. Example, "This lecture is so long." Smiling face with halo. Means innocent or pretending to be good. Example, "I didn't eat the cake." Thinking face. Shows you're wondering or doubting something. Example, "Should I study or nap?" Woozy face. Means dizzy, tired, or just out of it. Example, "Too much coffee last night." Raised eyebrow. Used for doubt or suspicion. Example, "You really finished that project alone?" Pleading face. Perfect for cute begging or asking softly. Example, "Please let me have one more cookie." Exploding head. When something totally shocks you. Example, "That plot twist." Face in clouds. Used when you're confused or lost in thought. Example, "I can't understand this math." Face with spiral eyes. Shows you're overwhelmed or dizzy. Example, "Too many emails today." Lying face. Used for joking or pretending. Example, "I didn't eat the last slice." Pinched fingers. Italian-style expression, "What are you saying?" Example, "You finished in 5 minutes?" Hand over mouth. Used for oops or secret laughter. Example, "Oops, I told the secret." And that's all 20. Use these emojis to make your English chats sound natural and expressive. Keep learning with English Fix-Up.